Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting measuring tools and a simple reference plan. This saves time later. Measure outer walls first because they set the shell of your layout. Record dimensions to the nearest zero. 5 foot or 15 centimeters so scaling stays accurate. Once done, mark permanent features like doors, windows, columns, and stairs on the sketch, noting distances from adjacent corners. These anchors determine traffic flow and room placement. Make a quick photo for visual reference before moving to detailed interior walls. You now convert measurements into a scaled drawing. Use 1/50 or a grid so 1 square equals a consistent distance, and draw wall thickness to understand usable space. Next, map plumbing runs, electrical points, and load-bearing walls because they limit repositioning and affect cost. Arrange circulation so main paths are at least 32 to 36 inches wide for comfort. Then place furniture footprints to test room function and refinement. Adjusting layouts here avoids costly changes later and clarifies door swing and window use. You finish by producing a tidy final plan. Add precise dimensions, standardize symbols, labels, and a north arrow so others can read it. Once complete, verify clearances. Aim for about 3 feet in hallways and 2 feet around appliances, because tight gaps cause usability issues. Export a PDF or print for review and get a contractor to inspect structural or mechanical constraints. If something is off, focus on relocating non-load walls and rerouting services. That usually fixes layout conflicts without major cost.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.